This is Chippy with the Nokia N8, and I'm just testing out some software called CameraPro, which has been highlighted by All About Symbian this morning on the website. Steve Litchfield's written an article about it. It's a bit of software that gives you instant access, on-screen access to some really detailed settings for the Nokia N8, and it also enhances the camera and gives you some more features. One of them is continuous auto focus, and I think that worked. Yes. Which is something that's been missing from the Nokia N8 up until now. Now, there has been a hack, but it's required signed software for that. But this is signed software in the OV store. There's one maybe little bug on it. No. It's that autofocus. Sometimes you have to give the button a half press to make it sort of snap in. In fact, you can do that, I think, for quick autofocus. If you know you're going to change subjects from near to far. That's interesting. So a couple of things: on-screen access also to zoom, which is kind of interesting. I'm just messing with the autofocus there, and that's, remember, the zoom on the N8 is digital zoom, but it actually doesn't degrade the pixel density up until I think 4 times zoom. So that's pretty interesting. You can see that there. And that's really not bad at all. A little bit of shake there, though. Second thing is, this is really interesting for me because I'm doing a project for ultra-mobile video editing right now, which means taking low-power, low-cost, lightweight computers to do editing for YouTube. So that you can do this in the field. Now, 480p is interesting for me in that respect. You get a reasonable quality video at a fairly low bit rate, and CameraPro allows you to do 16:9 480p. I think it's something 852 by 480, which I think is a true 16:9 resolution at about 2.5 to 3 megabits per second, H.264, which can actually be edited on a netbook, at least a reasonably high quality netbook, high-end netbook. Also, the interesting thing here is it might be compatible with iMovie on the iPad 2. And you know, the iPad 2 has enhanced processor and an H.264 encoder, which really accelerates the rendering process. So I want to try that out. Actually, if you're watching this video and you have an iPad 2 and an N8, check it out, please, and get back to me. Let me know if it works. So yeah, basically, I'm just going to throw this video up to YouTube as is. Oh, he's shooting right into the light. Let's snap that in. Near, far, and near. Pressing the button, you can probably hear it on the audio, to snap in the focus. I think once I get the hang of this, it's going to be really, really useful for work at expos. Going to really cut the weight of my camera down. This camera is the one I usually use. It weighs about 500 grams. Does MJPEG 640 by 480 VGA videos. Has a nice long lens on it. Some really good optics, which help me. But I think the N8 could be acceptable for the sort of videos I do in highlighting new products at expos. Anyway, I'm rambling. All I'm going to do now is stop this video, shoot it right up to YouTube as is. Please comment if you've got any ideas. Let me know. Also, if you've got an N8, check it out. CameraPro in the OV store. Thanks to All About Symbian and Steve Litchfield for highlighting that this morning. You've made my day. This is Chippy with CarryPad.com.